All right guys, quick video for you today. I get a bunch of questions about how to load and unload washers and dryers from the truck by yourself. You can see how high up it is on a full-size or mid-size pickup, I guess. I'm gonna include a little video of what happens if you don't know how to do this. Hopefully that's never happened to you, but this little tip here should keep you going. It'll work with a washer too, and it works best if it's facing you, so you have the smooth side with the console on the back. Gives you something to grip as you pull it down. And I absolutely do not recommend doing front loaders by yourself or even putting them into the back of a truck. They're so much heavier. This method does not work with front loaders. So what you want to do here essentially is, if you can see down here, there's feet on the bottom that are going to catch. And if there's no feet, which this one actually doesn't have any feet, you just have to be a little bit more careful, but typically those feet will catch here on the back of your tailgate and kind of keep it from slipping off. But the trick to this is using your knee. And what we're going to do is we're going to pull this down, and as it starts to tilt here, I'm going to stick my knee out like this, so make sure you don't have anything in your pockets. And as it comes down, it's gonna rest just like that on my knee. And then we're gonna grab it here and just kind of pull it out and down. It's that easy. And it works that easily as long as you get your knee propped, bring it down, rest it on the knee, and just kind of down into the side. It'll save your back, save you from dropping it or tipping it. Like I said, I'll include the video what happens if you're not just a little bit more careful. So I hope that helps. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. Y'all have a great day.